Hey, ever feel lost in the wild world of AI agent development tools? It's like everyone's speaking a different language. Today, we're cutting through the noise and revealing a powerful tech stack for building agentic AI, the kind that actually works. Let's break this down. When diving into agentic AI, the tools you pick are critical. You might be drowning in options, but don't stress. I'm about to lay out a battle-tested stack. First, let's talk about coding agentic flows. The choice here is Langchain. Why? Well, I've experimented with CrewAI, and while it's decent for quick prototypes, it falls short when you're building something complex and robust. Here's what they don't tell you. The limitations often boil down to the language. When using CrewAI with Python, the necessary tooling and type safety found in TypeScript were sorely missed, especially if you're leveraging cutting-edge agentic coding platforms like Cursor. This becomes even more crucial. Now, let's explore this further. Remember the monorepo versus microservices debate? When it comes to AI-assisted coding, monorepos are a game changer. For this project, NX was the weapon of choice. It's particularly effective with AI-assisted coding and even provides a helpful module parameter context, which gives the agent more awareness. But wait, there's more. The beauty of TypeScript is its versatility. You can wield it across your entire stack: backend, front-end, middleware, and even your agent library. Total control. Speaking of the front end, let's dive in there. JavaScript/TypeScript paired with Next.js were selected for a specific reason. The need for solid front end combined with a powerful middleware/API layer. Next.js makes this ridiculously easy. The killer feature? Effortless deployment. And for styling, Tailwind was picked. There are alternatives, but Tailwind gets the job done. So, to recap, the stack looks like this. Next.js and Tailwind for the front end, TypeScript for the middleware layer, Langchain for TypeScript support, and NX monorepos, all glued together by Cursor. This setup paves the way for streamlined services and deployments. Have you tried Langchain or CrewAI? What are your thoughts on TypeScript and monorepos for AI-assisted coding? Drop your experiences in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve in the rapidly evolving world of AI. What innovative tech stack will you try next?